There's a wind advisory. They say some parts in this area could get up to 75-mile-per-hour winds tonight. Somebody help me catch chicken bone. There we go. The wind is coming in, so they're getting in the pool. Good morning, Shadow. Chick, 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 chickies, chicks. There they are. Chick, 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 chicks. Chicks. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. Cheetah. How you been, pretty girl? She is so flighty, but isn't she pretty? She looks like a butterfly to me. She looks like a monarch butterfly. Love that bird. Morning, Seekers. I'm glad you found us today. It is Monday. It is Labor Day. Much to the kids' chagrin, I am not letting them take a day off homeschool. Phineas and Ronnie have the day off. Ronnie just took off to go hiking with Josh's family, and I am... and Phineas, I just gave him a list of things he needs to do, and he's not super happy about that. The girls and I are going to be doing a little bit of school just because we can't take extra days off just yet. We need to have our, we need to stay on track, keep our routine, because that's the hardest part about homeschool is routine. With public school, you can take a day off and then just go back, and it's no big deal. But with homeschool, if you take a day off, we tend to take a lot of days off. So anyway, I'm out here collecting eggs this morning. It's pretty late though. We did let everybody sleep in, and we're gonna start late, and we're probably not gonna do like a full day of school, but we're gonna do some just to stay in the habit. Why were you just yelling at me? Is it because you were coming into the box and you were afraid that I was gonna stop you? I just wanted to see if there's any egg. You can stay. Now she won't because I bugged her. That's how they do. If you disturb their, they get ticked and whatever. Everybody's been laying over here lately. Who's in here? Oh dear. Oh, it's only Worm. Worm and looks like Dotsy Dots trying to find a spot. Worm, you got any egg under you? Only one egg this morning so far. That's pretty normal. It's a weird egg though. I don't know if it's from an old lady chicken who's, it's got like dust on the end of it, or if it's from a new baby chicken. I'm guessing old lady. I've yet to see any. See, she's still mad at me. She's yelling. And now she's sitting outside of it, but she's like yelling at me going, ah, 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 you disturbed me. Chickens. They're so testy. Chicken Bone, you chasing people again? Oh! What the heck was that? Some kind of funky dance move? Oh, he's coming for you. He's coming for you. He sees you. He's like, ooh, I see her. I wonder if that is like, you know how bulls scratch the ground before they go to chase you? That's what it looked like he was doing. Like he was scratching the ground saying, I'm coming. I'm coming. He thinks he's such a big little rooster. Such a big little rooster. He's gonna get you. He gonna get you, man. Chicken Bone, Chicken Bone. Here he comes, here he comes. He's coming. He won't come when I'm here. Like, he won't chase you by me. I've noticed that. Like, he knows I'm the mom and he will not mess with me. Will you, Chicken Bone? Will you? Here he comes. He sees you. He's like, oh, she's going up there. I'm getting her. I'm getting her. I'm a big old chicken. I'm a big old rooster. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Ah, jeez, here he goes. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Run, run, run. That rooster is so funny. Oh, he's coming up there. He's getting you. He's gonna get you. You better run. Oh my gosh. Chicken Bone, you an evil little rooster there. You're a mean little bugger. That legit cracks me up every time. He's so little, and he really thinks he's a mean old rooster, and he will come at them and peck them, just like a big old rooster will. But he's so little, he can't do much. Like, he can't hurt them.
It's because I'm wearing shorts and I didn't want to peck my legs.
Yeah, I know, exactly. You probably would have pecked your legs too.
That's why I'm scared so much.
Come on, Chicken Bone. Come on, Chicken Bone. Chicken Bone, Chicken Bone. He's like, ooh, there she is. Ooh, there she is. What do you want, cucumber? Stop your whining. Oh, he's crowing at you. Wow, wow! He gonna get you. He gonna get you. Here he comes. Oh, he's coming. Yep. When you're close to me, he doesn't do it as much. See, he wants to chase you, but he doesn't actually want to attack you because he knows that he's going to get drop kicked. He sounds like a sick animal when he crows. You're a funny little boy. Funny. He's such a little brat. He thinks he's so big. Get it, chicken bone. He's so funny.
I don't want him to peck me.
I know. Thing is, he really shouldn't peck you. He should spur you. That's different. I don't even know if he knows how to use his spurs. Does he even have spurs? I don't know. He thinks he's pretty proud of himself, though. He thinks he's pretty big. Why is he walking with his head down like that? That's funny. He's pretending like you don't see him. Here he comes. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. You're in his domain. If you're over there and not over here, he's gonna get you because he knows I'm not over there.
Mom, I went to the corner. He's standing right here. So I went this way and he went right there. So I went this way and he went right there. And then I went fast and then I went that way.
But he didn't hurt you, right? No, I think it's all in your head.
I thought he was.
All right. Apparently, Virginia got hit in the eyeball. You okay? Ruby feels bad about it. We just finished up our scripture reading and our song and everything. We learned America the Beautiful today. And now we are starting 7 and says her prayers. When Marilla took Anne up to bed that night, she said stiffly, "Now, Anne, I noticed last night that you threw your clothes all over the floor when you took them off." Who does that sound like? Does that sound like Ruby? Do you throw the clothes all over the floor when you take them off? Yes, you do. That is a very untidy habit. That is a very untidy habit. That's what Marilla said. And I can't allow it at all. As soon as you take off any article of clothing, fold it neatly and place it on the chair. I haven't any use at all for little girls who aren't neat. I do. Thank goodness. Check the weather, you guys. There's a news story out. Guess what's happening?
What?
There's a wind advisory. They say some parts in this area could get up to 75-mile-per-hour winds tonight.
It's going to be cold tomorrow.
Virginia, if you're going to do your nature thing where you have to go out and observe, I'd do it sooner rather than later. For her Land of the Free class that she does on Thursdays, she's supposed to go and observe nature for 10 minutes. But in a few hours, you're not going to want to observe nature. I hope the wind doesn't hit before our barbecue.
Outside?
Well, I guess we don't have to do it outside, but we got to cook the burgers outside. Labor Day. Today's Labor Day. It's a holiday.
That's why we're only doing half school.
They're only doing half school. I let them choose 2 things to mark off that they didn't actually have to do, so that was pretty fun.
I did 3.5.
But we're still like
At
1
2
o'clock and we're not done yet, and I'm starving because we started so late.
It's 1 o'clock?
It's 1 o'clock.
Is that why I'm so hungry?
Yes, that is why you are so hungry. That is why I'm also so hungry. We need to hurry up so we can eat.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Alright, this 9 plus the one this morning makes 10 eggs today, and lots more darker ones. I haven't been getting as many of the dark brown ones, so it means my Wilsomers are laying again, hopefully. Woot!
I think Finn's gonna join you.
Dad's getting in the pool, apparently. I need shoes. Where's my shoes?
I think it was right. There is now 70-mile wind right now.
Yeah, well,
Look at the flags.
yeah, we should probably take those flags down. Waiting for the storm to come in. Dad's trying to get in the pool one last second before the storm comes in, and their chickens are apparently everywhere because he put the fence up, finally, and now they don't know what to do with themselves. Oh dear. Yeah, that's an understatement. Oh dear. Yeah, no. No. Come here, cucumber. What you doing, bird? What you doing? Okay, this isn't a roosting spot. Nope, I know that we... Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Okay. Now what? Oh, yeah, well, that one's down. Whoops. Sorry. Sorry, Ethel. Oh my gosh, we've got one in the blue bin over here in the garbage bin. We've got the baby down here. We've got freaking... Oh my. Okay. What on earth are we gonna do? Yeah, let's just put them all up on top of the A-frame. So we moved the A-frame in here, and I guess they just don't know what to do with themselves because they don't know how to find it or jump up to it or something. I don't know. Calm down. I'm trying to put you on. There you go. Oh, they're jumping down. Dudes, you'll be fine right there. Nobody's gonna get you.
I'm wondering if we needed to put it back under the tree or something.
Well, maybe I guess. We got them. I mean, this isn't under the tree. And they're on top of each other, and they usually hate that. Oh my heaven's sake. We got these guys up here all in the trees, which that's normal. So we just gotta help the other ones that... No, these guys are okay on that. Why not? I mean, I've always thought it was weird that they didn't go on that. Now you've dumped them off. Goldie, don't you go out. You stay in here. Oh, great. Okay, we gotta get Chicken Bone out of here. You guys are gonna freeze to death. You can't be over here. Oh, shoot! He's impossible. What are we gonna do? Are you gonna help me? Somebody help me catch Chicken Bone. You got like a whole group over here. There we go. Put him inside the A-frame. That's where he usually goes. Are you getting in the pool too in the middle of the night? You're waiting for the windstorm the last second? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm exposing you. You're exposed. The wind is coming in, so they're getting in the pool. And I'm left to try and make sure we got all the chickens inside the fence. At least if they're in the fence, hopefully they'll find a place. It looks like these guys are finally settled up on their roosts like they usually do. But I gotta check the yard just to make sure. I don't think we have any more out here, but you know, it's best to double check. Just walk the yard and make sure. Hello. All their hidey holes, making sure there's nobody. Dog! Scared the crap out of me. Her eyes are reflecting the light. It scared me. She's under that tree. Hello, dog. Oh my gosh. Some creepy monster, because I was watching on the video and I was looking for the chickens. All of a sudden there's two eyeballs staring at me. Gosh. No, I don't see any over here. They're all in. This is frustrating. None of them know what to do with themselves. Keep trying to stick them up on the roost. I'm gonna go in and see if I can get some of them to go maybe in the coop. They don't ever go in their coop. It would be really nice if they'd go in their coop, especially since it's about to be a giant storm, which is gonna blow them out of that tree. Grandma, if that's what you think you're gonna do, huh? I haven't seen you up there before. That's strange. I put one up here and she's already jumped off. Good grief. Oh, is that you, Cheetah? Hate them being up in the tree in a windstorm. Drives me nuts. Not much you can do. Looks like this one's gonna finally jump up there. Go on, you can do it. You got this. You got this, Comet. Get up there, you can do it. You can do it, you can do it. Go, Comet! She can't do it. I wonder if this would help him. Okay, maybe climb up this. I mean, it's worth a try, right? I don't think that's gonna do anything. I don't think they'll climb up that. I don't know what else to do. Geared it out on the side over here. There you go. You can sort of get up there, huh? Just not quite all the way. Would you like some help, huh? Look, I made you a little ladder. Yep, there you go. Go on up the ladder. Come on. You got this. You got this. Come on, girl. Go up the ladder. Go on. Go on up. If you do it, someone else might do it. Go on. There you go. Good girl. Good girl, Cucumber. Yeah, good job. She's got this. She's got this. You go, girl. There you go. Good girl. I'm so proud of my trick chicken. Now, if you just do it, we could go to bed. Come on, miss. Why don't you... Oh, you're going to go up here? Okay, I'm fine with that. That's fine. You guys can go there. That's good. Wish this was a little bit more protected from the wind, but whatevs. It's going to be all right. Got everybody on a roost now, huh? Everybody's in a roost. Nobody left on the ground, huh? Good girls. Good girls. Woo-woo! Success. Everyone's on a roost, at least until the wind comes in. Whew. Like I said, chickening is not for the faint of heart. You too? Don't you know a windstorm's coming in?
Yeah, I know. It's really cold. Oh, what?
Broke.
No.
Everything's breaking.
No, it didn't break. It
It
just
lasted summer.
It's the very last day. I have to take it down.
Marco!
Jasper, you want to say goodnight to the Seekers?
I will. I can't.
Why? I'm right here.
Hello.